Basically, today I am going to make those bows, those bandana bows that I showed you in the how to make a bow out of jeans that I just posted. And this is the bandana bow. Now, what you're going to do is take the bandana and take each end diagonally and fold it once, then again twice, then a third time until they meet in the center. Then you're going to take the two ends that are left and tie it in a knot. Not a tight knot, but a loose knot. Not even a knot, just a tie. And then take it and around like this and put it in another little tie, but a really tight tie, tighter than the first one. Then you're going to flip it over and do the same thing. Now you're just going to tuck those little pieces in so they won't be flapping around and stuff. And flare your bandana bow out. And that's how you make your bandana bow. Thanks.